Hey there, I'm Britt, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond, so stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we're over here on the east end of Panama City Beach, overlooking the gorgeous Gulf of Mexico at the Summit Resort. This has been a mainstay here for many years. People love coming to this resort. Multiple pools, easy access to the Gulf, and there's even a tiki bar. You can jump on over to your unit very quickly. This particular unit on the 15th floor, gorgeous unit, beautiful views from the balcony. I love that it's been renovated very meticulously. Gorgeous, calming blue coastal palette, got a kind of a nautical feel to it. I love the flooring, no sand getting caught up. Got that plank flooring that looks like wood. You're gonna love the gorgeous blue cabinetry. Brand new appliances, gorgeous renovations in the bathroom. It even has one of those sliding barn doors for a special touch. And the best part about being here, besides living in Panama City Beach, if you want to keep it for a beach getaway, you could. You could also actualize great vacation rental income. This particular unit that I'm checking out today has done nearly $50,000 just in the summer season. So talk to your real estate agent if you're looking for that vacation rental condo. This one is a wonderful 3-bedroom. It's priced to sell, and we would love to talk to you about it. Just give us a call.